Hello friends, welcome to the Oracle Integration Cloud Training Program. So today in this video we are going to cover the prerequisites for connectivity agent, how to install download connectivity agent, then install connectivity agent, stop connectivity agent and log files of connectivity agent. So what are the prerequisites in order to install connectivity? The connectivity agents support Oracle JDK 8 plus. So only Oracle Java is required. Open source JDK is not supported, and the version should be JDK 8 plus. There are different operating system on which connectivity agent can be installed, like Linux 6.x, 7.2 or 7.5, Red Hat 6.6, 7.2, 7.5, Swiss Linux 12SP2 or Windows Standard Edition 2016. So these are the operating system on which connectivity agent is compatible. The memory, at least 8 GB memory with 4 GB of heap size dedicated for agent JVM. The storage at least 500 MB is required. The network, the VM should be able to communicate with on-premise server as well as with the OIC. So these are the prerequisites in order to install connectivity agent. So we will go ahead and then we will first create an agent group, then we will download an agent group, then we will install a connectivity agent. So let's get started, and I will move to the Oracle Integration Cloud now. So here I have jumped into the agents part of designer. So first from this screen I will create an agent group. So just click on an agent group button and you have to give a agent group name. I can say you can give any name, agent group. Once you type in the agent group name, the identifier will be picked up automatically based on the group name, but it will be in the capital letter. The agent type is a connectivity agent by default, and the description you can give optionally, and then just click on a create button. Once you will click on a create button, a successful message will come up saying the agent group was created successfully. So here you see the agent group has been created successfully, and here it shows 0, which means a count. The 0 shows that there is no agent which is associated with this agent group. Okay, so this is how you can create agent group. Now you have to download a connectivity agent. Just click on this and click on this connectivity agent. So once you click on this connectivity agent, it will start downloading the connectivity agent, and it is approximately 151 MB setup. And the name of the file is OIC underscore connectivity underscore agent.zip file. Okay, once it will be downloaded, I will transfer it to my Linux server. I will use the same Linux server which we have provisioned under module 1 of lesson 3. So I'm going to transfer the same connectivity agent on my Linux machine. So I have already downloaded and I have already installed, I have already transferred this connectivity agent on my virtual machine. So I will just open a virtual machine. So here you see I have already transferred the OIC underscore connectivity underscore agent.zip file under home OPC agent. Okay. Now I will use this zip file in order to install my connectivity agent. Now I will log in into the SSH via putty. Okay. So I have already logged in into the putty, and you see I am there on the home OPC agent. So first, as a prerequisite, I need to see that Java is there or not. So I have already Java under this Java folder. This JDK is already there. So first I have to set the path of this. So let's export Java home, and then home OPC Java, and then this. Okay, I have exported the Java home. Then I will export the path. Okay, that's it. Now I have just set the Java home and then path. Now just try to see the version. Now here you see the Java version is 180251. So I'm good, and now I can go ahead and install my agent. So I will jump to my agent folder. Okay, so I'm just make a clear here. Now first I will unzip the connectivity agent. Okay, once I will do this, it will unzip my connectivity agent and it will show certain folders under the same path. Okay, so let me just clear this and then put lsltr, and here you see there are different folders like agent home. There's a jar connectivity agent.jar. There's another file cpi underscore upgrade utility.jar, and there's another file installer profile.configuration file. So this is the main file where we will keep all the OIC related configuration. So this is the jar file which will helpful to install my connectivity agent, and this is the jar which will be used to upgrade the connectivity agent automatically. So there is a folder called agent home. So I'll just go there and see what are the folders available. Under this, there are different folder like version, lib, agent, bin, logs, and then third party. So under the, let's go to the third party first and see. So under this third party folder, you can keep all the libraries of your third party application under that folder of third party. Okay. Now just go to the logs folder. Okay. Now logs folder as of now it is empty, and it will have all the logs files related to the connectivity agent. Once I will install connectivity agent, I will open this logs folder and will show you there will be a certain log files which will be there and which will help us to debug my connectivity agent issues. Okay. Now I will go back to the agent folder. Now under this agent folder, there are different three folders like data, configuration, and then certification. Under that data folder, this will be blank. Okay, there is nothing. And under this config folder, there is a different file like logging.properties and CPI agent.properties. So this CPI agent properties, as of now, it will have certain properties. Here you see. Okay, like proxy auth, admin profile, agent transport, namespace, OMCS URI, proxy port. So this properties file will be updated when we will install connectivity agent. The logging.properties will be helpful to set the logging level. Okay, now just go back and see another folders, the cert folder. Okay, so this will have the keystore.jks. If you wanted to install any SSL certificate, you can install under this default Java key store file. Okay, now just go back. Okay, and then lib will have different libraries which will be there automatically, which you don't need to touch. Okay, now just go to my parent folder. Okay, now let me just clear this and then open it again. Now here you see this is the installer.configuration file. This is the important file which you need to open it in a VIE editor. And here you see there are different properties which you need to set like OIC URL. Here you have to put the OIC URL. So let me just copy my OIC URL. Okay, and you have to append the port 443. So you just need to take the OIC URL till .com and then append the port colon 443. Okay, and here you have to give the agent identifier. So agent identifier was agent underscore group. These are the mandatory parameter. Now proxy host, the proxy parameter are the optional parameter, and they will be used if your agent or your machine is required some properties or sorry proxy related properties. Now I don't think so it is required as of now, so I'll just save this file. That's all. Now my file has been saved. If you make a cat command, and here you see the OIC URL and the agent group is there. just clear this console and then put lsltr, and here you see there's a jar file. So you just, now I have set the required properties under installer profile.configuration, and now we are ready to install connectivity agent. So the command is very simple. Command is java space hyphen jar and then connectivity agent dot jar. So this is the command which will allow you to install your connectivity agent, and then just enter. Once you enter it, it will ask OIC username and the password. So I will enter OIC username and then password. So password, it will not be visible here. Just enter. Okay. Now when it will install, it will make certain checks like no proxy configuration detected, checking for trusted certificate, making call to check OIC version. Once it will be installed, it will give a successful message like done with agent installation and configuration, starting agent for message processing. Okay, so this successful message indicates that agent has been installed successfully. After this, one more message will come up which will show that agent is up and running, and you can use it to make a connectivity between OIC and on-premises application. Here you can see agent started successfully, now available for new messages. Now let's go back to the OIC console and see the agent should be shown here. Now just refresh it, this window, and here you see the count from 0 to 1 has been increased. So this is how you can install connectivity agent. Okay, now just click on this plus one count and it will show the agent machine on which you have installed the connectivity agent. Along with it will show the information. Okay, now you need to check if agent is up and running or not. So you have to go to the monitoring and go to the agent. So here you see agent group, and here you see the green symbol which indicates that that agent is up and running. So this is how you can install connectivity agent. Now let me just go back to the SSH command. Now we ran this java space minus jar space connectivity agent dot jar. Now the agent has been associated with this particular window. If I do control C or I will close this window, the agent will be killed. So it is really important to run the 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 installer or the connectivity agent in the background. So if I do control C, here you see shutting down. Now agent will be down, and now just go back to your uh, agent and see the agent should come down now. Now here you see the red symbol which indicates that agent is down. As soon as I made a control C command on my terminal window, the agents come down. Now I will run this agent in the background. So let me just go back. Okay, now I am here again. Let me just clear this window. Now if you wanted to run any process in the background in Linux, so you have to use nohub command, java space hyphen jar and then connectivity agent jar and then ampersand. Okay, and then just enter. Okay, okay, so I made a mistake here. Okay, if I put tail hyphen high 500 f no upload output, it says enter OIC username. Okay, so now when you run any command in the nohub, it will not ask the OIC username and the password. Now just open your installer configuration file, and here you have to give two properties. Okay, like OIC underscore user. So OIC in small and user in caps. So here I will enter my OIC username, and here I will enter the password. Okay, let me just enter the password. Let's suppose password is welcome1. Now just save this file and then try to run it again. Now just run this command again, nohub space hyphen jar connectivity and then ampersand. Okay, now just tail no hub command, and here you see initializing the credential store. This time agent should be started successfully. So let it be up. Now it will show the successful message once the agent will be started. Now here you see the message is there, agent started successfully, now available for new message. Now go back to the OIC page and just refresh it, and it will show the agent has been started. Okay. Now again go back to your SSH and Control C. Now this time agent will not come down because we ran the agent into the background. Now just put ls ltr. Okay. Now sometimes it is required to bring the agent down. How you can do this? Now here you see there's a PID file has been created. Okay. This PID file will have the associated process ID of my agent. Now here you see the 5190. 5190. If I kill this command using kill -9 and then this 5190. Okay, so this will kill my agent and my agent will come down. So this is how you can bring your agent down, or you can stop your agent. Then again the same command no hub space java space hyphen jar space connectivity agent.jar space and % will help you to start your agent. So I'm not killing this right now. Okay, now just open the installer configure again, and here you see the OIC underscore user and OIC underscore password is encrypted. No one can steal your username and the password, so you don't need to upgrade it. Okay, now just go to the logs folder, agent home, and then logs folder. Okay, now here you see different files are there, like upgrade.log and then diagnostic.log. Just open this diagnostic log file and it will show different log files, different logs. And here you see it is polling OIC continuously to send his heartbeat that I am up. Here you see the AQ runtime consumer and then different messages which the agent logger watch service started. So it's continuously polling the OIC agent. So now let's talk about the upgradation. So you don't need to take care about the upgradation of agent. As soon as any new version of agent will be available, the agent will be upgraded automatically. You don't need to take care of upgradation part. So once the upgradation will happen, so there is another file here which is called agent upgrade.log. So you can open this file, and once the agent will be upgraded, you can see the messages over here. Here you see connectivity agent is up to date. No further action is required. Control C. Again, just see the different file which I mentioned that the. Okay, just go to the agent. Open this config file. Okay, open the CPI agent.property. Now here you see this file has been updated also, and it shows the agent instance ID, it shows the on-premise version, it shows the name space as an agent group, and then ICS REST based base URI. So these are all the files which are associated with your connectivity. Okay, that's all. Now if you wanted to make the agent in the HA mode, you have to use another physical box, do the same activity, and the count from 1 to 2 will be increased automatically as soon as the agent will be installed on the same agent group identifier. So guys, that's all about this connectivity agent installation, and in the next module we will show you how to use this connectivity agent in order to communicate with the on premises application. For now, thanks, bye.